Hey everybody! So this is my start of the 48-hour group build hosted by Craig. And of course this is going to be the kit I'm going to do. It's a 76 Chevy Vega. It was one that don't look like it's too complicated, but fun enough to do in a 48-hour build. So let's go and take a look at it. They have a few different options. Tree and all that's inside, and a cool view of that. The colors I'm going to do is kind of that green and orange. I don't know how I'm going to do the artwork on it, but I might do something a little wild on the side, something simple I can just mask. And I'm going to use the Testors one coat lacquer. That stuff dries fast enough, I shouldn't have a problem. I got work in the morning, so I'm going to get this ready, have everything all mocked up for paint when I get off of work, let it dry. I got a couple other things, and then I'll start assembling that night. And then I have Sunday till 8 o'clock, so I shouldn't have too much problem. I probably will wire the engine on this. So let's take a look inside, but no other real big details. But as you can see, it is a unstarted kit. There's a little bit of flash I'm going to need to clean off. Not a whole lot. A little there and a little in that back corner. The sub chassis. There you can see the roll cage and all that. And then there's the pipes, the motor. So I have to drill those out. But not a lot of parts. Enough to have fun with. It has 2 bags of glass. So they got the little rivets in there. And then the front glass with the cutaway for the motor, rear glass, and then it has a clear hood scoop. Tires, 2 slicks, 2 regulars. Chrome. It does have one of the Mooneye gas cans, so I'll probably strip that and strip the shocks. I'll keep some of that chrome. Bumper and grill. The valve covers, and it's the supercharger. So there's that. And then decals. A lot of sponsor stickers, and then a couple wild art ones. So I don't know if I'm going to use any of these. I'll probably just use these. If I use any, I might use that. But I don't think I use those because there ain't going to be much unless I do it on the door. I don't think that color is going to go well. And then this is kind of like designed for the back, which the colors I'm picking probably won't go well. Maybe somewhere in the inside I'll take a look and see. But so that's everything so far. I'm going to do some little bit of gluing and some sanding and putting everything on sticks and getting it ready for the painting tomorrow. So I really haven't posted any videos. I apologize for people who missed me, but work has been insanely busy, and I'm also trying to build a shed and all that stuff outside, so been super busy with that. So I'm still around. Hopefully you guys get to see my video because the analytics probably won't show it, but if you watch. I really appreciate you watching. So stick around. The next couple days I'll have more videos on this. So talk to you later. Bye.